I understand that you're citing Republic Acts 9160 and 11521, which effectively states na hindi allowed ang disclosures ng information on bank records. These are absolutely confidential. Could you elaborate, sir, the basis for your complaint?
Yes, no, because the AMLC, no, the Anti-Money Laundering Council, was created by RA 9160. Okay, that's the law creating AMLAC. Okay, in 2021, RA 9160 was amended by RA 11521 and introduced a new provision 8-A. So meaning RA 9160, there was no 8-A yet. And in 2021, Congress enacted RA 11521 to introduce this provision, Section 8A, 8-A, saying that the AMLC and its secretariat shall securely protect information received or processed and shall not reveal in any manner any information known to them. So it means in any manner. And if you read RA 9160 and RA 11521, there is no exception to this rule. Okay, the AMLC has its own set of law. Okay, in this law, both RA 9160 and 11521 does not provide any exception where AMLC can reveal information that it acquired from the different banks in the Philippines.